Def, dirty bad mind, mommy do you so. Be a negative, you just a cat.
Right, the same I go tell himself, say, you know me, I got just vex with John, so I not tell him what happened, and I not say nothing, because I never expect him to say that.
True.
But if you come to me, I go correct you, and it go look good again like me, and you don't have nothing to vex about. You did one with vex long time. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You did one with vex long time. Yeah. Yeah. Then me and you know, Bridget, you must can come to me and tell me where you're here. Because since you run with the hair, so. Because me not do it, you know. You can't come tell me nothing about nobody, you know. Then who tell you something about me? And him one did a talk, or where you and him did a talk about
where
me?
You did I say?
Where you did I say? Because remember, you know, Kyle, for me, face you and tell you bad about Brooksy, we must have a bad energy or reason about, you know. Alright. It have to start from somewhere. So where some people believe, like, say, people are idiot in our work. And people can't nobody come to me with something. If you have people, if you chat, no come to me. And if you have fuck if you talk about people, no come to me. Let me tell you one example, Brooksy. Alright. You see, you have two daughters, you see, Kyle. Two of them gone infant school till they left to primary. Look, you know, the two of them left primary, one gone at teach field, one gone up a fellowship in the bush, to them say. Alright. Nobody talk about the one who gone up at teach field, you know. Nobody ever see you and say, Kyle, me happy for that little girl. Me proud of her for know so she passed her exam and she reached to the high school. But what you hear them talk about is slaughter the one we gone up, so. And them no come off of the topic there, cause you know. Them did I tell you, say, fierce that two daughters be the brightest in a school. Why? Why you not telling yourself that? One come bright, one come down, so why you not chew on that one? Why people rough your fuck?
Every time you come and me a fear stretch to you, every time you come me a fear stretch to you. So, enough for myself, I tell myself, you know what I time you want to have it, that's me not fear doing all while. So, because look here, if you have enough, it better for me, you know. Don't Kyle? Look on it that way, they say it must better for you because every time this man down in him, have to come at me, you know, man. Because I want that little push that.
Yeah.
It doesn't want a little push
just a little.
Parliamentary, but I don't say you.
See, if something one for him where he can't have a little for himself. Me happy for him. Because I don't know about another man, you know. Me can't eat a whole bird, you know.
Me and you.
My bird half a broke. And I don't know who, me don't know who me I go share it with.
But
this half a broke, me can't eat a whole of bread.
So somebody
So
will
always a broke bread.
Somebody will
Always a
get
broke
peace.
bread, brother.
Yeah.
Remember me tell you that. So me don't know about nobody else. Then where you want to tell yourself, say, this big hole of bread you can't broke you share it?
No.
What me?
It too big fish here.
Me can't eat a whole of bread.
Me them no mind.
Me uncle can purchase a whole of bread.
Somebody
You understand me, brother? And bread is something we can share.
Here when him
Yeah.
call you, give you peace.
If you use, just as example, you buy a 5 pound bread. You can't eat a whole 5 pound bread.
Alright. So how many
Either
are
you
we
have to
going
cut
to
up
eat?
it,
Yeah.
you eat in a section.
So
you
if
eat in
me
a
find the
portion.
way you can make a money, why not no make you can make a money?
Eat a whole 5 pound bread one time.
Hey, them me find the way we can make a money. Me can make you make a money to why not do it?
To me one time up a 40 day there. One
One
girl come from upper country there, you know. And she always selling at the market lane. But you know, down in the market lane, we down a cinema more down a back there. You have to, in a good luck to sell piece of yam to where you down a back. But anyway, this girl find himself up front one morning, round one other woman we introduce her to up front. Well, this a woman you introduce him to up front and in carrot in yam, them and in something and in up front. With mama and them a do them thing and them a do them thing. But one at the time, like mama sister Ras, the girl ya make money since me making come side of me, ya so?
Yamase.
So me mean.
You don't know if Maggie we are what, but
But
Yamase.
Yamague.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Yamague. Yeah. Mama start to show this a girl ya bad face. He fell up on him a morning time, him come him not tell him morning. Then the girl start pray mama now. And she say, but this no look good. Oh, mama deal with me son. Alright. Me turn to mama, me turn to the girl and say to him, say, look here, cause when I'm on my mama actually jump off for space. Remember mama put him there, you know, and then nearly jump off now this man in for the same space.
Mama want it back.
Alright. Mama want back this space now. Me say to the girl, say, look here. Hold on, little.
It becomes that time for Mama spot. So Mama go want back this.
Me did a call you.
And Mama no know, say, you know, the spot, you know, the product where you have.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the product where you have, man.
And the customer service.
Yeah, man, that's the real thing, man.
I say, yo, boy, the time when you hold on teeth and it will spoil and the next man you can eat off of you, live off of you, maintain off of you, and
Yes,
then
I
thing.
say now,
You just say better you get rid of it. You see?
Remember good now, man.
Yeah, but I'm understanding, say, from the
Ask her what time she a do it.
That's why I always tell them, say, you know, in a business, you know, it's only good thing you need is goods, you know. Yeah, you have man who think for Thai customers, you know. Me not have for Thai customers, me I'm going to have goods.
So Kyle,
you know,
me
good, so
assure you
you
say,
say,
after
That
this
means everybody come can get where them want.
Fine, say,
Me not have a problem.
Put him out and space, you know. And me see the section where I go in the morning. Me know me turn to the girl and say to the girl, say, look here, put your something right here, so. That up on my side now. You know? But where for me space there, me say, all right, use up your so. Use up your so.
Me and you will share, yeah.
Yes, and Mama put him thing there. And up to now, Mama still there. And every time Mama come down with you, me no sell half same way. No trouble me.
I you not sell yam.
Me no sell yam.
He spoil him, not fi sell it before him go back up.
No, Mama
So
no fi
when
care
come
up
a
money.
market?
Mama no fi care up no money. That girl no fi care up no money.
Bad mind, bad
Him fi carry up back him yam them, so he come down with them, him fi carry them up back. Right now, to know that girl still did and we and her have a good relationship. That girl rate is like to the ground where we walk, me tell you brother. The girl that tell you, say, but look how life funny. Totally different. You
never meet
the one where me didn't even know I used to so. Totally different people, them you know. So I just saw life go man. And everybody wants to see progress for the next one, brother. And everybody wants to see progress for others. When people see you go up on the ladder, then we carry you down back if him can. Crab in a barrel. And you come out of the bag. And remember, you know, feel good for you, so you get out of the bag and dry you in the bag. And if you're happy for you, that you can have the chance to take out 2 more or 1 more somebody out of the bag. What kind of fuck remind and intention that you alone can't get to feel your dirty self so? That's you no want nobody come out of the fucking bag. That mean if me no come out, oh, who no go come out? Me nah come out and figure who down in there, you know. Me go come out and tell myself, say, boy, me go try look piece of rope. If you throw down in there, if you drop back 2 of them people that were down in a hole. Because the hole are with the down there, you know. And me reach out. Me nah go look rope. Me go look rope now, you know. If you try help you down in that, you know. But you know, just feel to say, if me come out, me nah go look back.
That's supposed to be your journey now where you go accomplish now, you know, if you go look rope.
Oh, you mean? Then me no must have to go look rope.
And your journey that now where you have to accomplish, you know. If you go look rope, if you draw me up.
Some of them people, you know,
Yeah,
brother.
yeah. Alright, so for instance, brother, if me in my
You know,
stage
nobody come out of the
alive,
bag.
and me sister, brother, you know, say, me fly out Ghana, America, left 3 brother, yeah. Then hold on. Nothing me can't try to get one of them brother you come up.
There is
What the
nothing.
effort me put to make one of you come up.
Yes, make me lose, make me feel.
Yeah. Then me not have to try with one of you. Then me never like you.
True, man.
Me never want to see you get you. When me try with, let me try with one of you, man. Let me try with, and if me can't try with the whole of you, I will try with the whole of you.
Come.
Where you think me I live in a hurt? For me and my people, them, you know? You think me I live for me and myself?
Alone.
Me I live for me and my people, them. So if me want good for me and my people, them, same way. So where the fuck me could I live in a hurt for, brother? For please dirt? No, man, me want my people, them get the best of me.
Yeah, man.
And me forget the best of you just the same.
True.
Where the rascal tells me could I want in a hurt. Eh? Other people I get the best of me and my people them can't get it. It's so hard to my people them forget a little of me, much less the best. Me don't want to live in a hurt. My life not been tough like that. No, me I live for me and my people them. And me believe in that until my life end. Then Brooks say, what me could have want out of her? Remember, me becomes this big ever done in the town. Me have money, me have everything in this town. Where my brother them have? Who is them? Who is my brother them? where them have.
Nothing.
Then that look good.
People might feel better.
People feel better.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that will never happen.
Because that
They will never live to see happen. That seal, it can't happen, brother. Then me a madman, me a who? Then me want my mother to grieve in a dead grave.
Who could tell if I know him prepare where you get for you?
For me. So why me want share with me brother them? Why me want share with them?
Remember, said the old lady knows that she
Where we not get when she alive, we will get it in our past and we fix we for we.
for you.